What's going on, guys? JFast here. Got a quick little video in the garage. Our company, we recently upgraded to a 7 Plus, the iPhone 7 Plus, in a life-proof case. So this is what I'm running. And the old RAM mount that I used to use, which I really liked, a little bulky, but socket went in here. It clamped onto the bike. And like any typical RAM mount, you know, get to use it. But this will not fit this phone. Definitely not with the case on. And that's really the only reason I'm upgrading here. Strictly because it doesn't fit the phone. Otherwise I would have kept using it. Quite liked it. You know, it's durable, gets the job done. So anyways, I ended up getting the Rokform. There's lots of guys that run this. This one's specific for a motorcycle. Really nice packaging, I'm gonna say. Really well done. I really like these magnet clips. They just kind of get me going. And right away, everything seems really nice quality. It's all aluminum. Got all kinds of adapter bits. Don't know what those are for. Handlebar adapters, a tether, so you can get double safety, and then a new case. Now, I work in the construction trade, so I tend to use life-proof cases all the time. Just dust, water, everything's crazy. This one is basically just a case. There's no screen protector. I don't run one on here anyways, but for some reason, I thought the magnet was only on here, but it's on both. And I can just see this grabbing nails and change and metal shavings at work. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But the way this guy goes, that mounts to your handlebar. And it's got this quad lock kind of dealy going on. So the phone goes on. Like so. No. So the phone case goes on. How does that go on? Like that, and then locks into place there, and there's a magnet that grabs each other as well, so you kind of get this double security. And again, they also give you the tether, so you can tether around here, so it's locked 3 times, which is nice. So we're going to go ahead, pop this life proof off, and throw this case on and see how I like it. Assuming it just floats in there. Yeah. So, whatever. It's a phone case. I mean, what are you gonna do? It's nice. Seems a little bit smaller than the existing one. It is. It is a bit smaller, so maybe that'll be nice in pocket. But like, stuff's just gonna get down here. We'll see. Give it a go. But let's get this. Oh, and the back of the case is magnetic, so I'm sure you could stick it on something. Yeah, whatever you want, kind of hold in place. But I don't really have that need. But let's get this guy figured out. So this one's gonna work with this medium-sized adapter, and they give you a Allen key. So we'll go ahead and loosen this off and slip it onto the bike. So I'm going to stick mine in this location. That's where the last one was. So we'll get the sleeve on. Okay, I'm just gonna do that a quick little. Yeah, nowhere near that hit the tank. I think that's the winning position. So we'll go ahead and snug this guy down. Something I'm really liking is this is a really small mount to leave on the bike. It's very unassuming. It's metal, and I mean, unless you bring an Allen key this size, like, you're not stealing it. This ram mount I had, like, way bigger. All you do is undo this, take this whole thing, and then you're out. You know, probably 20 bucks for this, 30 bucks, I don't know, 50 bucks, let's call it. This was more money. This was with the case and this mount. I think you're sitting a little over $100 American. But I'm digging it. I think this is going to be a great upgrade. If I can figure. Okay. So yeah, I think this is going to be a great upgrade. It is a little bit difficult to, there it is, a little bit difficult to find. But once it's there, it's there. Oh, hello, hello. But yeah, let's go for a ride. I'm gonna grab some parts for my Joker machine turn signal install. Need to get a couple pieces, so we're gonna go for the rip and we'll get that done.